Oh, you almost hit the pumpkin. Hi.
Oh no.
You got 2 of the balloons down there.
Oh.
Looks like he's going for the blue one. Oh, almost!
That's a tough balloon.
You're low. High.
Get it right in the middle.
Got it.
Woohoo!
All right.
Going for the pumpkin.
Do you want to look down?
Okay, now he's going for the
Okay,
pumpkin.
which one?
Big one.
Big pumpkin.
Hi.
Got it. Low and left. Same spot. Upper right, upper left, I mean. Dead center, baby. Missed it.
Don't, Bill.
Out of bullets.